Hi friends, today let us learn how to convert the folder into zip file. We can convert the big file into less file. So let us check it. Go to the file, give the right click. There you see send to. In that compress zipped folder, just click that option. After clicking, you will see the file is being compressed. It is being compressing. Yes, compressed. That's how the file will be compressed. You give the name or title to that. You can send a big file into a small file to anyone through app or through anything you can send. So this is how we can compress into zip file. If you like my videos, for more updates, click subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.